Even after 20 years of warnings and delays, about 60% of Americans still don't have a real ID. But if you do travel by air and you don't have real ID, but you do have an iPhone, Apple has a solution. It's called Digital ID. It was quietly introduced late last year. Much like concert tickets, boarding passes, and credit cards, you can create and store a digital ID from your passport. Here's how it works. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to choose Digital ID and select U.S. Passport. Scan the photo page of your passport, then tap your phone on the chip on the last page and take a video selfie to verify your identity. That information is encrypted and stored securely on your phone. Once it's set up, Digital ID can be used at TSA checkpoints in hundreds of airports across the country. No digging through your wallet or purse for your driver's license. And because it's created from a U.S. passport, it is a form of identification that's already accepted anywhere a real ID is required. Apple is also beginning to use it for age verification within some Apple services. Instead of uploading a copy of your driver's license, your phone could simply confirm you're old enough. No other information is provided. So is it safe? Well, all of that information is encrypted and kept right on your phone, nowhere else. And your physical passport has fewer protections than a digital ID. If someone were to get your passport, they can see your name, address, birth date. But all of that information is protected in a digital ID by Face ID, a fingerprint, or a passcode. Pretty soon, forgetting our wallet is going to mean a lot less than forgetting our phone. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.